Hey everybody, hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add shipping address in Sephora. It is an online based retailer offering a wide range of beauty and skincare product. Now guys, let's start the video. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in Sephora.com and hit the search. It takes you to the official website of Sephora. Now to add the shipping address of Sephora, just go for the profile icon at the top right of your screen. Scroll down a bit over here, just click on the account settings. You'll be taken to the new interface. Now at the right side of your screen, you'll be able to see the account information. Now just click on saved addresses just below the reservation. Now over here, you can add the shipping address by clicking on that plus icon. Here you just need to enter the first name. Similarly, enter your last name over here and simply select your country and add the phone number and just enter the postal code over here. After you have done, just click on the save option. If you want to set a default address, just click on the check bar and hit on the save option. See guys, your shipping address has been added. That's how you can add the shipping address on the Sephora. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.